If you are struggling to update Snapchat to the latest version, in this video I will show you the fastest way to do that. But make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, I will show you two ways to update an application. The first one is the simplest, that you'll have to go to App Store or Play Store, then search for Snapchat. Then you'll have to tap on that app and you'll have to simply tap on update if it says update, and it will be updated to the latest version. But in some cases it shows you open option, which means that technically your app is already updated to the latest version, but you still don't have access to some of the latest features, or you're still facing some bugs and glitches in the app. So in that case, you'll have to head over to the settings of your phone, and then you'll have to tap on general, then iPhone storage, and you'll have to look for Snapchat. Once you have found it, you'll have to tap on offload app. Now keep in mind that it will not delete any of your personal data or files, it will only delete cache files, and which will also help you to free up some space on your phone. And you'll have to tap on offload, and after some seconds you'll be able to find an option of reinstall app. You'll have to tap on it, and it will delete all the cache files of Snapchat, and it will also forcefully update the app to the latest version. So if this helped you out, hit that subscribe button, it really supports the channel, and comment below if you got stuck anywhere. I will definitely help you out.